OMR, or optical mark recognition, is a technology that detects answers marked on sheets using specialized scanners and software. Proper utilization of this system is essential for accurate grading. Students should be aware of how to rectify errors on the OMR sheet, as this technology may be new to many. Following clear instructions can help prevent unnecessary complications. Filling out the OMR sheet demands meticulous attention to details such as the class, date, and subject. Any mistakes in this process can lead to significant issues. Diligently identifying and filling in each number within its designated column is vital for effective data entry. Each digit must match precisely with its corresponding area. In the event of a mistake, it is crucial to leave the incorrect answer blank and to clearly mark the correct response. This practice ensures that examiners can easily identify the intended choice. Practicing legible handwriting prior to the exam can enhance clarity and minimize errors. Clear writing is indispensable for optical mark recognition systems to interpret responses accurately. Staying within designated lines while writing is paramount, as it influences how the computer interprets responses. Writing beyond these limits may result in unmarked answers. When responding to questions, it is essential to be concise and ensure your answers fit within the provided space. This approach helps to maintain clarity and reduces confusion. For multiple-choice questions, it is advisable to fill in answers with a black pen to guarantee proper detection. Any mistakes should be corrected by clearly marking the correct option. An additional question will be integrated into practical assessments, offering students choices to effectively complete their evaluations. This initiative aims to enhance students' practical exam experiences. The practical questions will draw upon previous practicals, ensuring students are well acquainted with the content. This approach seeks to facilitate optimal preparation for exams. It is possible that practical questions may not be featured on answer sheets, similar to past practices. This uncertainty could influence how students approach their preparation for practical assessments.